In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new role at the same company on LinkedIn. If you've been promoted, moved to a new team, or changed responsibilities while staying with the same employer, adding a new role helps your profile tell that story clearly. We'll do this on the LinkedIn mobile app so you can follow along on your phone. Start by opening the LinkedIn app and heading to your profile. Tap your profile picture once, then tap it again to open your full profile page. From here, scroll down until you reach the Experience section. You'll see a small plus icon next to it. Tap that and then choose Add Position. Now you'll enter the details of your new role. In the title field, type the exact title of your new position. It's a good idea to match the wording your company uses internally so recruiters and colleagues recognize it right away. Next, choose the employment type. LinkedIn offers options like full-time, part-time, self-employed, freelance, contract, internship, apprenticeship, or seasonal. Pick the one that best reflects your situation. For the company field, make sure you select the same company you already work for. This is important because it helps LinkedIn group your roles under one employer, making your career progression easy to see. If your company has multiple pages, select the official one you used for your previous role to keep everything consistent. Set the start date for your new position. Choose the correct month and year. Then look for the toggle or checkbox that says you're currently working in this role. If it's turned on, LinkedIn will mark your end date as present. If it's turned off, you'll be able to add an end date. This is helpful if you're documenting a past role at the same company or if the role has already concluded. As you review these fields, double-check that your company name matches your earlier entry and that your dates line up accurately with the transition. Keeping this information precise helps LinkedIn display your roles under one company banner, showing a clear timeline of how you've grown within the organization. Once those details are in place, you've successfully set up your new role at the same company. Your Experience section will reflect the change, and viewers will be able to see your updated position listed under your employer with the correct dates and employment type. That's all it takes to keep your LinkedIn profile current and professional. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.